Day 2 of Dallas, Texas, and can't really find the Eagles game nowhere around here, but still go Eagles. Oh shit, check this out.
That they felt like they should have kept closer, and then this to the result fumble late first half.
Cowboys finally won.
We say farewell from.
And out. Then what? Oh. All right, we at Cowboy Chow. We about to get something to eat because we are ready and we need some food on our stomach. Our waitress, she got an attitude, but she does a great job. I'm sure it's not us, it's her. But let's see, I ordered the burger and some fries and a salad. I'll let y'all know when it come out how it tastes. It's really nice out here. The views is nice. I wish Philly had places like this. I feel like Philly don't have this. Downtown, we like in downtown. It's like super clean and peaceful. It's really a vibe. I'm gonna just name this my home away from home because I think I'm really loving Dallas. But go Birds. Even though they lost, it's fine. We still winners. Gotta always have some type of salad because I love it. The bun, I guess it's turned inside out. Okay, Dallas, you fancy. And still nursing this margarita.